Hey everybody, this is Danielle here with sugaringLA, and today I'm going to show you how to sugar with a stick. So first off, we're going to make sure we have clean, dry skin, no lotion or oils, and then we're going to dip into our just barely heated up sugar paste. And we're going to take our sugar and kind of make a lollipop with it onto our stick. And then we're going to apply it against the hair growth. So as I'm molding it on right now, it's seeping into the hair follicle, wrapping around the hair. And then I'm going to take my stick rather than a piece of cotton, and I'm going to flick down with it. So it just kind of attaches to the stick. And then I'm able to mold back over if I miss a little hair or two and flick. And I still have my piece to reuse. So you can keep going as long as the sugar paste keeps spreading and there's not too much hair, dead skin cells in it. So we're just gonna keep using the same piece. So it's a really cool way. The hand technique is what we do in studio. It is a little bit challenging and takes lots of practice, so we don't teach that here. We do show you how to do the cotton technique, which is really easy, but you don't really get to maybe cover as much surface as you would like because you might run out of cotton, which you can always cut up an old pillowcase or a pair of jeans or just something that is a fabric that you can use for removing the sugar paste. So this is a really cool technique, a really cool way to use it. You're just basically using the stick to sugar yourself at home. And if you get stuck for any reason, what we will do is just get our cotton, and you can apply that and go ahead and pull that way and remove it. So you have a fail safe to get it off. And then it also dissolves with water. So when you're all done with your treatment, you just get a warm towel and get all the sticky off and you're done and you've sugared yourself. Stay tuned for more videos from sugaringLA. Thanks, bye-bye.